Okay, we're gonna do an unboxing of a UNP outdoor tent that we ordered on Amazon. It's an 8 to 10 person tent, and we're just gonna go ahead and show you just opening the box and then just a review and set it up. All right, as you can see, it just comes in that big duffel bag, UNP, and let's see what's inside. All right, so unzip it. Inside the duffel bag, it's got some instructions on how to go ahead and set it up. We got our tent. Looks like we have our poles. Go ahead and set it up. All right, real quick. Here's the pole. And then we have the tent. Here's the stakes and the rain flies and the canopy. So we're gonna go ahead and start setting it up, and we're gonna put it right out there. First thing I'm gonna do is lay out this tarp. All right, got the tarp down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the tent going. I just want to go ahead and show you the pole setup. So you see the two long ones? Those are going to go on each side of the tent, okay? Those thick ones are going to go right down the center along with that medium rod there. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up, and you're going to see the tent pop up. Here's the tent set up just in the morning without the rain fly on it. It was way too hot last night, so just thought I'd go ahead and film that part. And in the inside, you could easily fit 3 queen size mattresses in there. We have a queen size mattress in there, and there's like tons of room in there. So I will say that the corners here, on each corner, those are very important stakes. So if you want, I would maybe even upgrade those stakes, because without those being in, it'll definitely collapse. So it's pretty important to put those in. Once you have the rain fly on, there's some additional support that gets tied down, so that'll help out too. But here it is, the UNP tent, and it's worth it. Has a power cord that I'm just running through there. I just did some backyard camping. My boys liked it.